we're going to talk about tools for creating next-gen computer vision apps on Snapdragon. And let me see if I can juggle all the stuff here. So Qualcomm offers basically three things in computer vision. The first is CV hardware, accelerated hardware, which I will introduce on the next slide here. The second is CV algorithms, which I will go through 5 use cases of how the Qualcomm hardware is able to accelerate specific computer vision algorithms. And this is mainly done also through applications that can use these algorithms through fast CV or OpenCV-like APIs. And then thirdly, which I won't cover today, but Qualcomm also offers some end-to-end applications, like, for example, being able to do 3D face recognition on a handset, or to do driver monitoring inside of a vehicle. We won't have time to go through those today, but we will cover the first 2 items, number 1 and number 2 here. So I'd like to introduce the hardware core that's in Snapdragon devices for quite some time now, but we haven't really talked about it that much publicly. And that is the Engine for Visual Analytics, or EVA. And apologies for my super bright pointer here. We've actually had this for 3 generations now. We had EVA 1, EVA 2, and EVA 3. EVA 1 came out with Snapdragon 855 back in 2018. EVA 2 was introduced on the premium tier also with Snapdragon 865 in 2019. And then just last year on Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, we released EVA 3 back at the end of 2021. So again, this is a hardware accelerator core that's built into all of the Snapdragon devices, starting at the premium tier, and even soon will be in the 600 tier as well. And these offer particular functions that are embedded in hardware for the acceleration. The first being object and face detection is built in, optical flow or motion detection and motion mapping, depth estimation through depth from stereo, feature extraction or feature descriptors are included as well in the hardware. Geometric correction is included for de-warping and that sort of thing. And then finally, there's some specific accelerations for what we call XR, which is AR and VR applications.